Alistair, ikaw na naman, naghahawik na ako. Ikaw muna. Uupo lang ako saglit. Ikaw saglit, hawakan mo lang saglit. Dito ko. Ayusin ko na yung buhok ko.
Study hard. Any other else? Other hands, yes. What's your name? JR?
Never give up. Try and try.
Try until you're succeed. Focus. Focus. Okay. Any other hands? Any other hands, please? How about you, Jean?
Ate Levi, ang bait na parte ko ngayon. Good mood. Ate, good mood tawag pa sa akin, gwapo.
Study hard also.
Teka lang natin magkaroon
Any
na
other?
yung po kasi
Any other job? Yes, what's your name? Pastora.
I know that.
Wow.
So, thank you for sharing your experiences or for your dream. So, last time,
Andun yung...
can you see it? Maybe you could compress. I'm sorry,
Wala ko sa kayo siya. Ate Levi. May pwede. Diyan ako dito. Sige naman yung chan. Thank you.
Okay, so I read the list. Okay, so last time, what we discussed infographic review, right? Okay, so based on that infographic, what will you observe? The power.
Ang galing ni Joy,
Any
no?
other else? Any idea? Based on the infographic that we have. Cause and effect. Ryan, do you have any idea? Yes. Mr. Gomez, what's your name? Ivan. No jobs. Okay. So from the inputs that you have given me,
Dapat nandito ka lang. Sabi ka.
Ate, mag-re-reviewin ko yun. Mag-re-review ako. Pumunta na daw ako
like what you
doon.
have said a while back,
Sabi niya.
infographic pertains to poverty or jobs, profession, right? Okay.
Umupo ka
So,
kaya. Dali na
Mommy gave me your outputs yesterday. So now we are going to have a group discussion. Okay, so you could go to your group mail and form a circle. And
Nakapatay.
you should be prepared because later I will call either one of them to present.
Review ako. Diyan na lang.
Diyan.
I will choose a representative from the group A to present their present their report. So the first group to present is, let's have group 4. Come on, and I will choose your member, Wilson Morgan. Wilson Morgan. Where is your copy of the questions?
Sige.
No. So Wilson, read first the question number 1.
Makita ka.
Okay, so Wilson, class, are you listening? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so Wilson will now read the question number 1 and their report.
Question number 1. Relate the experience of the persona in Sonnet 29 with that of the modern time situation. Analyze the infographic above. Focus your attention on the highlighted words and determine their use in the sentence. Maximum of 5 sentences. Our answer is, a man's life is full of challenges. According to the persona of Sonnet 29, he or she are being judged by his or her poverty, but he or she still stays strong. Based on the infographic, you need to stay strong to solve the problems in life. If not, face the consequences that life can offer. Number 2 question.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Number 1. Okay, thank you, Wilson. Thank you, Wilson, for your answers. How about the other group? You have another input or you have another answers? So I will return your paper so that you will know your answer. Where's group 5? Group 3. And group 4. Okay, so how about number 2? Let's have group 5. And I will choose Hannah Joyce to go and read their report. Here in front. Pastor.
The information talks about the situation of the economy of our country. And the more economy is solid, the more people will be unemployed. And if you must get a nice job, then and also it is possible that they will not get enough things or food in their daily.
Okay, so according to group 5, the economic situation of the country is based on the problem and yes, Dimple? So, thank you, Dimple. The economy is based on or the cause or the effect to poverty. Okay, so how about the other group? You have any inputs? Yes? What's your name? Jacob.
Informational materials say that about the economy situation of the country is the poverty.
Poverty. Okay, so now let's proceed to number 3. Let's have group 3. And Alfred, will you go here in front to read your report?
Number 3, the generation of more jobs
Yes? What is the question?
Number 3. How can the generation more jobs to influence the Filipino workers? Our answer is the generation of more jobs will influence the Filipino workers not to go abroad. Job generation would mean Filipino workers can thrive in our own country.
Okay, thank you, Albert. So, how about for number 4? Let's have group number 1. 4. So this is the question. How should the jobs challenge be addressed? Face your class, please.
I think education is the key to challenge be addressed because the opposition that job is based on knowledge and skills.
Knowledge and skills. Okay. How about the other groups? You have any other group? Ryan? Thomas? You have any answers? Yes, group 4. Seek more job. Work hard, don't give up. Work hard, don't give up. Okay, so how about for group 5? I mean number 5. How do the words rapidly and informally functions in the sentence? So the sentence is here. So where is group 2? Don't need. Read the sentence first and the question.
Addressing the jobs challenge requires meeting a dual challenge. Expanding formal sector employment even faster while rapidly raising the incomes of those informally employed. Number 5. How do the words rapidly and informally function in the sentence above? What kind of adverb are these? The person who are informally employed are the person who rapidly raises the income, while the employee that is employed who are informally are working hard, and the one who are experienced poverty, and the rapidly and informally adverbs are kind of adverb of manner.
Kind. The adverb of manner. Again, what are the words?
Rapidly and informally.
Rapidly and informally. They are
Adverb of manner.
okay, adverb of manner. Again, class, what is an adverb of manner?
Answers.
Yes. What's your name? Layla. Answers the question. How? So could you give one example of adverb of manner? Yes, what's your name? James. Carefully. Carefully. Any other else? Hannah Grace. Gracefully. How about you? Yes. Happy. Okay. So now let's move on. So I will present to you a video. So you could compress.
Set compress ang argument na Kasi it's your birthday.
Ang compress. Okay, class. So,
My hair is so
are you
thick.
ready to listen? Thomas, ready to listen?
Ma'am, antay si teacher.
Okay, so I have here questions. So I will play a video and later try to answer these questions. Okay? So again, this is my group and I will call a member from your group to answer your certain numbers. Okay, for example, for group 1, you will answer number one, okay? But also, I will call students from other groups
Ask your
to
teacher.
add some input or to add some information
I'm just an
based
observer.
on the number, okay? So, let's see
My
if I
father.
will give additional points for those who will recite, okay?
Yes, very
So now, here is the
beautifuler. You look thinner. Oh, Lisa, you're early.
last quiet so that
Why?
Ma'am, can you stand? Can you hear it?
Be perfect.
Remember that I will repeat the video twice. Yes? Yes, you can stand if you Don't forget the
Magsasaka na
questions.
ginagamit pa ng mga sakit ng foundational na yun. So ngayon, iba na po yung mga technology na dapat gamitin at dapat itulong ng gobyerno natin. O dapat yun po ang hanap ng mga magsasaka natin para magbago yung buhay nila.
Sana po makapag-aaral ang problema, hindi na po kaya siguro mag-aral. Kulang talaga ng nurses sa mga government hospital. Kaso, ang kulang lang po pondo na pampasweldo sa kanila. Kaya po, mas madami po yung mga volunteer nurses kaysa sa mga kinukuha nilang mga staff nurse na talaga. Yun po, kailangan ng pondo.
Yung talaga nagiging problema ng bawat municipality sa budget. Saka sa mga tauhan, kailangan ng grabe. Kasi pag hard lang mga hard, nadadagdagan yung tauhan, nahihirapan magpasama ng para makabuhay ng pamilya. Nasa tao mo talaga. Kasi yung sarili mo, hindi ka magsikap din. Halimbawa, hindi ka rin magsikap, wala rin siya eh. Mabuti kung kapit-bahay na kayo ng gobyerno para mahingi ka ng mga kunting tulong. O sarili mo lang, bilang isang mamayang bigay mo, magsikap ka na sarili mo.
Sa mga batang petisyon, kasi yung mga may nagtapos sa trabaho, mga nag-aaral, kailangan mo ng magwaldas ng pera, maghanap ng pang-requirement, tapos basta marami. Dito, wala ng requirement, sa trabaho ka lang, kakawag ka lang, may pera lang.
Hindi naman yan abot sa ano eh, sa kung ano yung tinapos mo. Kasi sa job, hindi naman kung ano yung tinapos mo pag-degree. Ang kinuha nila yung skills. They're looking for the skills ng job.
Certainly needed, yes, in fact. But training goes a long way. In fact, even without the prior factors such as funding, a person who's educated can certainly find his way into the right places, given the right opportunities. Invest in the Philippines. Believe in the Philippines. Believe in the Philippines.
So again, for the second time.
Yung ibang pagsasaka na ginagamit pa ng mga nagsasaka ito, mga foundational na yun. So ngayon, iba na po yung mga technology na dapat gamitin at dapat itulong ng gobyerno natin. Na dapat yun po ang hanap ng mga magsasaka natin para magbago yung buhay nila.
Sana po makapag-aaral ang problema, hindi na po kaya siguro mag-aral. Kulang talaga ng nurses sa mga government hospital. Kaso, ang kulang lang po pondo na pampasweldo sa kanila. Kaya po, mas madami po yung mga volunteer nurses kaysa sa mga kinukuha nilang mga staff nurse na talaga. Yun po, kailangan ng pondo.
Yung talaga nagiging problema ng bawat municipality sa budget. Saka sa mga tauhan, kailangan control din. Kasi pag hard lang mga hard, nadadagdagan yung tauhan, nahihirapan magpasama ng para makabuhay ng pamilya. Nasa tao mo talaga. Kasi yung sarili mo, hindi ka magsikap din. A person who's educated can certainly find his way into the right places, given the right opportunities. Invest in the Philippines. Believe in the Philippines. Believe in the Philippines.
Okay, so now, are you ready to answer these questions? Yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay, so did you understand the video that I have selected? Okay, so now let's have group 1 to answer the question number 1. Where is group 1? Will you raise your hands? Yes, Mary Joy. Will you give your
What is the video song all about?
please your class, please?
Lack of education, also lack of jobs and technology and financial problems.
So group 1 said that according to the video, Philippines does lack of education, lack of jobs or financial problems. Okay, any other answers from the group? From the other group? Yes, Thomas.
Ma'am, for us, the video is all about how to have a good job and raising incomes.
Yes, again.
How to have a good job and how to raise income.
So the video is about how to have a job and
Raise income.
how to raise income. Okay, thank you, Thomas. How about the other group? Yes, Ivan.
The video is all about how the people would have their jobs. The main problems on how getting jobs.
So according to Ivan, what group are you, Ivan? So according to Ivan from group 3, the main problem in the Philippines is
Getting jobs.
is finding job. Okay, any other else? Ryan.
I think the problem is the money.
The problem is the
We
money.
don't have enough money to support the workers in the Philippines.
Okay, so in other words, the financial problem. Okay, so now let's go to group 2 for number 2. Ryan again. Any other members from the group? Sir, what's your name? Frank Lloyd. Frank Lloyd. No, from yeah, Frank. Come on, stand and read your answer. Come on, number 2. Are you ready, Frank? Okay, so will you help him, Riel, read the question first? How are they interviewed? How are they? How are they interviewed? Yes.
The person that are being interviewed
Who are being interviewed?
are the farmer, surveyor, nurse, the driver, that also training, and lawyer.
Training and lawyer. So, how about the next question? How are they interviewed? The farmers, the surveyor, the lawyer, they interviewed carefully. Okay, so Roniel included the adverb of manner. Any other answer? Yes, will you stand and give your classmates?
They ask the problem
They ask the problems
of our government.
of our government and economy or about the economy. How about you, Wilson?
Yung the person na interviewed are sharing their opinions about what are the problems of our government, why there are many
there are many persons that are graduated with their high degree, but some of them are not working right now. But I think the most problem there is that a lack of education. Because
Okay, thank you, Wilson. Okay, so now, according to your classmates, the person who are interviewed are some workers in our country, specifically farmers, junior worker. Okay, so how are they interviewed? According to Raniel, they interviewed very hard and they answer questions regards with government or the economy, right? Alright, so now let's move to group 3 for number 3. Where's group 3? So once again, let's have another member. Yes, what's your name? How about the girl beside you? Your seatmate, Thomas. Nior. Read that. What are the causes of unemployment or underemployment? Our answer is lack of education. Lack of education. Let's wait for her. And ma'am. Okay, so will you help group 3? Yes, what's your name? Raymar.
Ang dapat cause is lack of money.
Lack of fund and lack of
Budget.
education. Any other else? Mary Joy? Will you stand? Financial problem. The process of employment. The process of employment is underemployment or lack of financial problem. Is financial problem. So, will you summarize the answers of your classmates from group 5? Leah Jane, according to your classmates, the causes of unemployment and underemployment are lack of education, financial problems, and lack of funds. So we have 3. How about the other 2? We have another. Sorry, yours? JR.
The causes of unemployment
Who's your classmate?
or underemployment are poverty. Is poverty rather.
Is poverty. So, we might generalize the problem. So, now, is it clear?
Yes,
ma'am. Okay, so now let's proceed to question number 4. What are the effects of unemployment and underemployment? From group 4. Yes, Raymar.
The main effect is poverty.
The main effect of
Unemployment and underemployment is poverty.
is poverty. Okay, so any other answers? Thank you, Raymart. Raymart, are you Raymart? Yeah. Raymart. Any other class? Any other
underemployment is that the lack of education, lack of financial. I think the fact is that there are many, just like the man who interviewed, he said that he want to study but he don't have a lot of money to take education. The effect of this is that there are many people that are don't have break because they don't have they did not take the education.
Okay. Thank you, Wilson. Any other answer? Ryan? Yes.
What are the effects?
What are the effects?
Unemployed and unemployed. I think that the Filipino don't have enough work because they don't have, there's so much financial, like the jeepney driver said that she didn't have money to, he didn't have enough money to take her education. Not like in just he gonna coach people and he gonna get money. You gonna get?
Can you repeat your sentence?
Just like the jeepney driver said that jeepney driver said that here I'm just gonna coach people and I'm gonna get money.
Yes. So you're telling that your point is that the effect of lack of financial is that some people don't have jobs or works. Okay, so thank you, Ryan. How about for question number 5? Yes, Hannah Joyce. Hannah Grace.
What does it take to find a good job or raise income? We need to have skills and strategies to find a good job and raise income. We also need to finish our studies.
We also need to finish our studies. Thank you for 5. Thank you, Hannah Grace. How about the other group? Tony. Grace, your classmates.
Find a good job. We need to work hard. Like what the other interviewee said. We need to work hard because you need to get more skills. Like what the girl said or the trainee in the video. It's not what your finished degree is. Because it's because what skill you have.
Okay, thank you, Tony. Any other inputs from the group? From the group. From group 2. Yes, from group 2. Any other inputs or any additional information? How about the other group? May I see any other hands? That's it, wait, oh, bring ask your other classmates. Number 5. Ask your other classmates. Find the job. You must study hard. Okay. Any other information? We must work harder, just like the group of even Greenwood. Any other answers? Any other answers? The girl beside the Again, to find a good job.
Study hard and have a better skill.
Skills and study harder. According to what's your name?
Stephanie.
Okay, so now let us proceed to our main activity. We need to do. Okay, so now, based on the video that I have presented to you, try to, for A, try to do this one. Will you read, everybody?
6 words, 1 story.
Yes, so I want you to get the main idea of the video clip in just 6 words. Okay? So this is by group. So you can write your answers or your 6 words words, only long band paper. Long white band paper. We have long white band paper. We have long band paper. Okay, you could use short Are the directions clear? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so you could form a circle. Have your... Okay, just go to your formal seat.
6 words, 1 song. Ryan, you're being excused.
That's all.
Class, remember that the main idea is composed, it is either a phrase or a sentence. Okay? Any questions? Do you have any questions? So are the directions clear? Yes. Okay, so start doing the 6 words, 1 song.
Only 6 words, ma'am. 6 words.
6 words. Yes. You will use just 6 words. By that 6 words, we could get the main idea of the video clip that we have watched. Any questions? Class for silence. Again, class reminder. Remember that you will finish your first one story in the Are you done? Are you? Yes. Yes. Who are the words only 6 words. Listen to Irene's idea. Are you done? Okay, so pass Are you done? Add some designs, add some photos. Because that is your Sabi niyo colorful yung
Unemployment and underemployment leads to poverty.
Okay. What is the wrong in the sentence? Is there any underemployment? How about the subject? Did the subject and verb agree? How many subjects do we have? So, therefore, the verb should be singular or without and so it should be
Unemployment and underemployment lead to poverty.
okay. So let's give them a round of applause. Your classmates demand an explanation.
Our answer is unemployment and underemployment leads to poverty because the video shown this and our country face a problem that leads to poverty. Because if you don't have job, you don't get income, and if you don't have income, you don't get what you need your daily lives, and maybe it leads you life and poverty.
Okay, so again, let's give them a round of applause. Now, look to. Yes, Frank. Go here in class and go Frank. Good. Come on. Okay, so look at your team. Go Frank. Jean. Go here in class and any other members from the group? Joshua. You want come on guys. Kaya mo yan, Jean. Jean? Jean. Yes, how about you? What's your name? I will call Brian. First name Brian. Where is Brian? Tony, come here and say your first sentence. Go, come on.
The poverty causes employment or unemployment.
Yes, so right. Why did you write that with experience?
Because based on the video clips that we just watched, our country experienced poverty because lot of persons that unemployed or unemployment obvious they don't have work, and like what
Skill is the key to success. Because just like the girl in the video said that it's not about the degree you finish. It's all about the skills you
Good afternoon. 6 words, one story. Don't let hindrances or challenge stop you. Challenge stop you. Okay. Don't afraid to face your challenges because God can give us a problem we can solve. Just believe yourself and skills. Don't lose hope. I believe that you can do it. And I believe that Philippines will grow the economy and be popular in the whole world. That's all. Thank you.
And for the last group, let's have four. Education and skills can prevent poverty. Because if you have education, you know what you're going to do. And if you have skills, it means that you know a lot about that thing that you are doing. So if you have two, it means that you can be a good worker and you can be a better person. Because if you have this, everyone, for example, all companies will get you and will hire you. And that's all. You will have your assignment. Now, I want you to search 3 different. It's not about you. No, it's not. Okay, so search 3 different jobs or profession and distinguish their everyday tasks or activities. Okay, so I want you to search 3 different jobs or professions and distinguish their everyday tasks or activities. Okay, so 10 points each. Write your assignments on a whole sheet of paper. Wait.
Thank you.